What should I do if my Kidde carbon monoxide alarm keeps beeping even after changing the batteries?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing what you should do if your Kidde carbon monoxide alarm keeps beeping even after changing the batteries. Carbon monoxide alarms are essential for the safety of your home, so it's crucial to address any issues promptly. Let's dive in.
Check the batteries.
The first thing you should always do when your carbon monoxide alarm is beeping is to check the batteries. Even if you've recently changed them, it's possible that the new batteries are faulty or not properly installed. Make sure they are correctly inserted and that the contacts are clean. If the alarm continues to beep, move on to the next step.
Reset the alarm.
If changing the batteries didn't solve the problem, try resetting the alarm. To do this, you'll need to locate the reset button, usually found on the front or side of the device. Press and hold the reset button for a few seconds until you hear a beep or see the lights on the alarm flash. This should clear any temporary malfunctions or errors.
Check for other warning signs.
If the alarm persists after resetting, it's important to check for other warning signs in your environment. Carbon monoxide is a colorless and odorless gas, and prolonged exposure can be extremely dangerous. Look out for symptoms such as headaches, dizziness, nausea, or confusion, which may indicate a real carbon monoxide issue. If you or anyone in your household experiences these symptoms, evacuate immediately and contact emergency services.
Consult the user manual.
If your carbon monoxide alarm is still beeping without any apparent cause, it's time to consult the user manual. The manual will provide specific troubleshooting steps and guidance tailored to your alarm model. It might have additional information about the meaning of different alarm patterns or how to diagnose and resolve common issues. The manual can often be found online if you don't have a physical copy.
Contact Kidde customer support.
If you've followed all the previous steps and the beeping continues, it's advisable to reach out to Kidde customer support. They are the experts when it comes to their products and will be able to assist you further. Provide them with all the relevant details, such as the model number of your alarm and the steps you've already taken to troubleshoot the issue. They might be able to provide a solution or recommend additional actions. Well, that wraps up our video on what to do if your Kidde carbon monoxide alarm keeps beeping. Remember, the safety of you and your family is of utmost importance, so it's essential to address any issues with your carbon monoxide alarm promptly. Start by checking the batteries and resetting the alarm. If the problem persists or you experience other warning signs, consult the user manual and contact Kidde customer support for further assistance. Stay safe, and thank you for watching.